Okay, so good evening everyone, or good morning, depending on which part of the world you are from. Okay, so my name is David and I will be your host for today. Okay, so let's begin by starting up Unity, the game engine that I'm using to create stars. Okay, so just let me load the code editor for Unity, which is mono develop. Okay. Okay, so if you missed the last live stream session, this is where we left the game off at. Okay, wait, just give me a second to reset the mask. Okay, so as you can see, since the last at the last stream session, we have added attacking to the game, and you are now able to gain experience from defeating your enemies. Okay, so gaining experience will allow you to level up your character, and when you level up your character, after each stage you will be able to improve on your character. Okay, but it won't be your usual RPG character stats such as strength, intelligence, or dexterity. It will be more unique attributes of your character that you can improve, such as how high your character can jump, or how fast your character can move, or even how much your character can damage the enemies. Okay. Okay, so on top of that, we have also added a counter to keep track of how many stars you have collected so far. Okay, so as you can see now, you have 1 star, 2 star, 3, 4. Okay, now we have 4 stars. Okay, as you can see, every time your character comes in contact with an enemy, it will blink and your health will decrease. Okay, so now we are at 1 health, but if we come in contact with an enemy like so, okay, our health will decrease, and when your health reaches 0, you will, okay, it is game over. Okay, okay, so for the number of stars collected, okay, as you can see now we have 1. Okay, so when you have reached 8, because 8 is a very lucky number, okay, when this shows 8, okay, the door to the next stage will appear. Okay, but we have not done that yet, so let's do that now. Okay, let's create a simple door in Photoshop. Okay, usually I will use my tablet to do the pixel art for the game, but since we are just going to do a simple door, I will just use my mouse. Okay, stage canvas. Okay. Okay, let me just create a new window. Okay, usually I create 2 windows so that I can zoom in one and have the other zoom out. Okay. Okay, so as you can see the zoom in version here and the zoom out version here. Okay, so let's create a simple door that will appear when you have collected 8 stars for every stage. Door. Okay. Pixel. Okay, for our door, let's give it a pure white color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for our door, we will use a 4x4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as you can see here, this is the zoom out version, and this is the zoom in version, zoom out version. I'm sorry, this is the zoom in version, and as you can see on the right, the zoom out version appears. Okay, so you can see what happens when you fill in the pixels by pixels. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we do not need a door that is too high. Okay. So it is here and here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, let me just make sure that it is an even number of pixels. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, another 4. Another 4. Another 4. And another 4. And lastly, another 4. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, the door is taking shape. Okay, but we want it to appear more, I would say, more obvious, more prominent. So let's make it more obvious. Okay, by adding more pixels. Okay. Okay, so this is our current door, but as you can see, Okay, if you look at the right side, it looks as if it is not high enough because of the thickness of the white border. Okay, so let's change that by erasing this and okay, let's erase this top edge. Okay, and okay, and let's create the border again. Okay, but this time let's bring it up by another 4 pixels. Okay, okay, so as you can see, the door appears now, as in the door appears to be higher now. Okay, as you can see on the right over here. Okay, let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, and this. Okay, it doesn't look good, so I'm not going to undo that. Okay, let's see if we connect the bottom edge, if it will look nice or not. Nope, don't think so. Okay, so this is what we have over here, the door to the next stage. Okay, okay, so let's create an image file for it. Okay, depending on the size. Okay, let's try 48 and 48. Need of Marvel. Oh. Okay, welcome to the channel, Marvel. Okay, let's drag and drop the door over here. Okay, so once we have the door, we can make it appear in the game. Hmm. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Layout. Main. Okay. Stage, and let's call it stage door. Okay, now that we have our stage door, let's export the image using my trustworthy Apple script. Okay. Okay, layout, main, stage, door, retina, iPad, retina, normal. Okay. So as you can see, I usually use my Apple script to automate the exporting of images. Okay. Doing so, I can save a lot of time. Stage door, okay, seems like too big. Let's try retina. Stage door. Oh, okay, maybe the retina version. Games, stars. Okay, now I'm going to copy and paste the door to the game project. Okay, so let's go back to Unity. Okay, under sprites and objects, our stage door 4096 point. Okay. Okay, so we are not going to keep on creating new stage doors. So we are going to just create one version of the stage door over here. Okay, I'll wait, give me a second. Okay, stage door. Okay, so this is our door that will link to the various stages. So that means you will be using this door to move to various stages. Okay, so let's call it stage door. Okay, this is a sprite renderer 2, 1. Okay, so let's call it 1 instead. Okay, maybe 0. Okay, we need a script for this as well. Okay, so in core, or rather in controller, let's create a new script called stage door. Okay.